Yes, people, welcome back. Yes, in the garage again, Bill and Ben together again, and it's time for another quick video because I have done about 350 miles in a couple of days, and I have a track day coming up, and I need to get the oil, at least the first oil out. So let's hopefully do that today. Let's go. So yeah, just quickly showing on the dash, 324 miles I've done, and if I check the service option and click oil, it's saying I've got 276 miles left to go, but I'm going to get it done anyway, so let's get ahead with that. So over on the bench, we've got the stash. We've got Shell Advanced Oil, was it 15W50? Okay. We've obviously got the filter, O-rings, washer plug, and that is a part number if you guys are interested in the filter. Luckily, Ducati Oxford ordered a load of these. Big shout out to Ed as well, the head mechanic, for getting this over to me. He actually hand delivered this to me, so top service there. And these are M865s, which if you haven't got any to hand, you're going to need to get the little filter out, and we'll show you that later. So, being a later Ducati, or these new ones, there's no sight glass. So, back to the old school dipstick. Ain't seen one of those, even on a car or a bike for a while. I mean, look how lean, look how red hot that is getting just on idle. It shows you how lean already the stock bike is, man. Oh my god. So, just going to let that sit for about 5 minutes or so. I've just put it in a wheel chuck on the front, left off the paddock thing on the rear. And I'm just going to give it a few minutes and let the oil all drain back down into the sump. Hopefully it'll be nice and thin for it to come out nice and easily. There's the sump plug, and the filter is behind there. This is the cover that you got to take off afterwards. So let's just drain the oil first. Alright, so I've got my little tub to drain the oil. That's a 14mm. Let's and see all the shit go everywhere. There he comes. There we go. Right, let's let that all drain out and have a quick check. See how much crud is on the end of this. Right, just put it on the paddock stand just to maybe tilt it, see if any more comes out. I'll let it carry on for a bit. Alright, let's see if we can get a little close up. Maybe not. Okay. There we go. There's a little bit of shit on there. Let's wipe it off and see what it is. Yeah, it's alright. I've cleaned a bit of shit off. There wasn't a lot of metal or flakes, very, very tiny bits, but let's get on with the other stuff. So, let's go and get the oil filter out, which I think is an 8mm. So these are the longer ones, which Ed told me to get. So these are M865, and I think what he says is you do it to a certain point, and then it's left, right, so it's like literally top, bottom, top, bottom. You know the drill. Keep it coming. I think that feels a bit loose now. I'll be able to pull it out. Yay! There we go. Leave that there to drain a bit. And there's the oil, peeps. There's the oil filter in there. Just get a little hook and hook it out. There you go, look, see. Pull it out. Oh, I'll let the rest of it come out now. So we're going to have a look inside. There you go. Alright, let's let that drain out. I'm not sure whether to do these two. Some say do, some say don't. I'm not sure. I'll have a check if I've got the tools first. So I've taken the 2 O-rings off that, and there were some little bits, more pieces of metal, and I've got 2 new O-rings. So I'll oil them, grease them, put that back on that, so that'll be ready. So there are 2 more which you can do. I think there's a 19, which I'm going to try with this little tool. I don't want to knacker anything because I ain't going to have much. Oh, okay. That weren't so bad. Okay. Got a sealer around that, isn't there? Look, Ducati does have a bit of a sealer. There's a little filter in there as well. Let's get that out. Okay, there we go. Bit of a pull, and ooh, that's got a fair bit of shit on it. Let's bring this to the bench and have a better look. Right, I'll try and keep this steady and have a look. I've zoomed in a bit, so that's the shit that was on that filter. So few little bits, flakes, metal. Okay, man, chopping up this engine a bit, isn't it? So let's give this a clean and then we can pop that back in. And let's just get the next one. Hopefully that should be easy enough to come out like the other one did. Fingers crossed. Oh, bloody hell. Whoa. Fair bit of oil coming out of that one, isn't there? So a fair bit of oil come out of that. So there, yeah, that's what you call a proper empty oil. 1, 2, 3. Gotta do everything in threes, boys and girls. Let that drain now. Oh shit, there's a filter in there as well, isn't there? There we go. We'll let that all come out and then we'll inspect that in a minute. Okay, this second one didn't seem too bad, as in there wasn't as much shit on it, or flakes or bits of metal. Only small bits, but at least this one isn't too bad. So that's, I don't know whether that's good or bad, but let's just get that cleaned and we can get that back on afterwards. Right, let's pop this one back in. I'll just put some oil around the rings. I'm guessing that just push that all the way in. Fit this one. I'll tighten them up after, but let's just get it all in first. This one's got to go a fair bit way in. There you go. That's clipped in, you can see. Let's just clean the inside. So the oil filter goes on that way. So that's end has got a little hole, plugs into the end of there, goes in this way. There you go, hear that? I've just put some oil around those rings. You just push this back on and it just goes in. Oh, look at that, just a bit of force. Everyone loves a bit of force. May the force be with you. Hey, May the 4th's coming up soon. A Ducati Riders one. Did I line this up properly? It's so slippery. Tight and torque those all up in a minute. Let's just get the sump plug back on. Got a new washer. That's the 14. Okay, so that's right. Everything mostly done, sorted. Wow, that was more faff than it needed to be. We're all good. So just to be clear, look, lubrication unit. 2.3 litres. So that's 2 litres put in. Gonna let that settle for a bit. Check the dipstick, and then I don't think there's much. Maybe another 200 mil or something. Not sure. We'll see. Right, 2 litres are in. I'm just gonna start it up a bit just to get the oil going round. And then I'll check the levels again. So having just let it idle just for a little bit, just going to check it, and look, you can see it's nowhere near, so I need to put a couple of 100 mil in, I reckon. So I'll put in another 200 mil. Let's see where we're at. Back on the side stand. That's just over half. Screw it all the way in. 3/4. So yeah, I'll leave it there at the moment, and if I need to top it up, I will. Keep an eye on it. That's about as close as I can get that yellow dot back together. I'm not that strong. And there we have it, boys and girls. Oil service done. I won't be waiting for 9,000 miles for the next one. I will probably be doing it every 6 months or so, because that was a piece of piss. Stay tuned. More videos, more stuff happening on the 698. It's going to be a good year. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do the usual shit. Thanks very much, and over and out.